Introduction to DVWA. What is DVWA? The DVWA, or the full form Damn Vulnerable Web App, is an actual application for testing security vulnerabilities. Now, it is really aimed at people who want to practice penetration testing in a legal way by using a legal target. Getting started with the DVWA is one of the best ways to start learning legal ethical hacking. The application is a perfect fit for varying level users. The application is built with PHP and MySQL, a classical duet. What does it mean for someone willing to learn penetration testing? That the application is easy to install on different OS, as both PHP and SQL work almost on every system and everywhere. Also, the fact that it is built with PHP means that it will be easier to understand the code chunks of the DVWA, as the application has many examples for different vulnerabilities, more on this later, that are implemented. PHP is not the hardest programming language to understand. Also, there are various resources that could help understand the PHP code.